In today's digital world, making money online has never been easier or more accessible. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or transition to a full-time online career, these simple and flexible passive income strategies allow you to earn from the comfort of your home. They're proven strategies that can grow into reliable income streams. Best of all, each one is designed to maximize your earnings while minimizing your effort. We'll explore a range of methods suited to different interests and skill levels. And as we go, you'll discover increasingly lazier ways to boost your income with minimal effort. Are you ready to unlock the power of the internet and take control of your financial future? Welcome to Trailblazers Mindset, where wealth builders come to get inspired. Let's dive in. The first, laziest, and easiest way to make money online is to start a strategic dropshipping business. Imagine running an online store without ever touching a single product. Sounds like a dream, right? That's the power of dropshipping, a business model where you sell products, but your supplier handles inventory, packing, and shipping with minimal upfront costs and low risk. Dropshipping is the perfect option for beginners or those with a small budget looking to enter the world of e-commerce. Before going into the details of how to start a dropshipping business, let's first address the following question. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a fulfillment method where you list products for sale in your online store, but instead of keeping inventory, your supplier ships the product directly to your customer. Your job is to market the products and manage the store. This means no warehousing, packing, or worrying about leftover stock. Just focus on selling and growing. So, why start a dropshipping business? There are multiple reasons why starting a dropshipping business makes sense. 1. Low startup costs. No need for inventory or storage. You only pay for items when a customer orders them. 2. Flexibility. You can sell from anywhere with internet access. All you need is your laptop or your phone. 3. Diverse product options. You can offer everything from fashion to home decor without worrying about bulk orders or stock limits. And 4. Scalability. As your store grows, you can easily add more products without the hassle of increasing inventory space. These are the steps to start your drop shipping business. 1. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific category, e.g., pet supplies, fitness gear, or home organization, to stand out and build a loyal audience. 2. Set up a store. Create your online store through platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. These two platforms, along with several others, offer drag and drop templates for easy setup. You can also contact their customer service for support if necessary. 3. Find suppliers. Use platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or CJ Dropshipping to source high-quality suppliers. Ensure they're reliable, have fast shipping options, and carry high-quality products. You want to start building a strong base of loyal customers from the beginning. 4. List high-quality products. Add accurate product descriptions, high-quality images, and competitive pricing. Trust me, your customer will notice it, and they will gradually start to reward you and your brand. 5. Market your store. This is a step that's super crucial. Utilize social media and unique email marketing platforms and apps to drive traffic to your site. And remember, consistency is key. These are the best items to sell for beginners or those on a small budget. Number 1 on my list is fitness gear. Good examples of products with established demand are resistance bands, yoga mats, treadmills, exercise bikes, and dumbbells. 2. Tech accessories. Examples include phone cases, wireless chargers, and headphones. These products are always in demand by all categories of buyers. Number 3. Home organization. Products, drawer organizers, storage bins, shoe organizers, and foldable shelves are constantly trending. 4. Pet supplies. In most cases, pets are considered part of the family and they are given due priority. Trending pet suppliers include pet beds, collagen sticks, slow feeder bowls, pet air purifier, dog probiotics, and grooming tools. 5. Beauty tools. For instance, facial rollers, makeup brushes, and skincare applicators have growing markets. 6. Eco-friendly products. This includes reusable water bottles, shopping bags, and bamboo toothbrushes, tapping into the green movement. These are the potential costs to consider when starting a dropshipping business. 1. E-commerce platform fees. Shopify plans start at $29 per month, while WooCommerce is free but may require hosting costs. 2. Domain name. A custom domain name typically costs between $10 to $20 per year. 3. Marketing cost. Social media ads, Google ads, or influencer marketing can cost anywhere from $50 to several $100s, depending on your strategy. 4. Supplier costs. This is the wholesale price you have to pay for each product sold, plus potential shipping fees. However, this is just an upfront cost. Your customers will ultimately cover this cost. 5. Payment processing fees. Stripe, PayPal, or other gateways typically charge 2.9% plus $0.30 per transaction. Now, these are some of the cost-saving strategies to consider. 1. Free marketing channels. Leverage Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook groups to promote your store at no cost. Also, remember that user-generated content can build social proof. 2. Start small. It is crucial for beginners to focus on a limited number of products to test their niche and avoid unnecessary costs. 3. Supplier relationships. It is highly recommended to negotiate with suppliers for lower rates or free shipping as your business grows. 4. Free trials. Many e-commerce platforms offer free trials. Use these free trials to test your store setup before committing to paid plans. It will help you in your decision-making process. 5. DIY content. Create product photos and social media content yourself to avoid hiring freelancers. Drop shipping offers a low-risk, high-potential way to start a profitable online business. With no need for inventory or upfront investments, it's the perfect entry point for aspiring entrepreneurs. Every sale is a step closer to your financial independence and creative freedom. Before we dive into number 2, if you find value in this video, please hit the subscribe button to join our growing community. We appreciate your support. Thank you. Here comes the second laziest and easiest ways to make money online: selling ebooks and online courses. Selling ebooks and online courses is one of the simplest, most hands-off ways to earn passive income online. Once you create your product, it can sell over and over again without you lifting a finger. No inventory, no shipping, just pure, scalable potential. If you're looking for an easy and beginner-friendly way to make money, this is it. Why sell ebooks and online courses? 1. This is one of the best proven methods to generate passive income. You create it once and you can keep selling it for months or even years. 2. Low startup costs. All you need is your knowledge, creativity, and a few simple tools. 3. No inventory. With ebooks and online courses, there is no need to worry about physical products or shipping. 4. Flexibility. You can work from anywhere, anytime, and your store is always open 24/7 for customers worldwide. These are the basic proven steps to create and sell ebooks. 1. Find your niche. Think about what you know or what others ask you for advice about. Are you skilled in fitness, personal finance, cooking, or self-improvement? Find a topic you're passionate about. 2. Brainstorm topics. Start by solving a problem or providing valuable insights. For example, if you're into fitness, create a guide like 10-minute daily workouts for beginners. 3. Outline your content. Organize your ideas into chapters or sections. Focus on being clear and actionable. Don't overthink it. 4. Write your ebook. Use tools like Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Keep it simple, easy to read, and conversational. You don't need to write hundreds of pages. 30 to 50 pages packed with value is enough. You can also leverage ChatGPT for ideas if needed. 5. Design it. Canva is a free beginner-friendly tool for creating professional ebook covers and layouts. As your business grows, you may consider hiring designers and publishers, but as a beginner, you need to limit your costs. 6. Sell and distribute your products. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Amazon Kindle. Direct publishing, KDP, allow you to upload and sell your ebook with ease. There is no cost associated with listing your product. You only pay the necessary commissions after your products are purchased. These are the proven steps to develop and sell online courses. 1. Choose a course topic. Think of topics people are eager to learn. Are you good at photography, baking, digital marketing, or mindset coaching? Courses like Beginner Photography Basics or How to Master Meal Prep can be big hits. 2. Outline your course. Break down your topic into easy-to-follow lessons. Each lesson should focus on a specific skill or goal. 3. Create video content. Don't stress about expensive cameras. Your smartphone and free tools like Zoom can do the trick. Remember, you want to keep your costs low when you start. In addition, keep lessons short, engaging, and actionable. 4. Provide resources. It is crucial to provide downloadable guides, checklists, or exercises to help students apply what they learn. Offering free resources in your online course strategy serves as a powerful trust-building mechanism and marketing tool. 5. Choose a good platform. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Udemy make it easy to upload and sell your course. My professional tip for this step is to select a course platform that balances your need for robust features and marketing tools with reasonable revenue-sharing terms, ensuring it has an established marketplace of active learners in your niche and provides the flexibility to grow your course business without technical limitations. And 6. Market your course, share it on social media, your email list, or through collaborations with influencers. Also, consider using student success stories to demonstrate your course's effectiveness. Good examples of course ideas for beginners include personal development, how to build self-confidence in 30 days, DIY crafts, mastering resin art for beginners, tech skills, simple graphic design with Canva. Now let's discuss potential costs. Course platforms. Platforms like Teachable or Thinkific offer free plans, but premium plans can cost $29 to $99 per month. Editing tools. Premium tools like Grammarly or Canva Pro are optional, but can help improve quality. These are the cost-saving strategies. 1. DIY. Everything. Write, Edit and design your ebook or course yourself using free tools. For instance, you can write and design your ebook for free using Google Docs and Canva. If you would like me to create a video on this, please let me know in the comment section below. 2. Take advantage of platforms that offer free plans. My recommendation is to always start with free plans on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Udemy to avoid monthly fees. As you grow and expand your brand, you can gradually scale into subscription-based plans. 3. Organic marketing. Utilize social media platforms, YouTube or TikTok for free promotion. Share valuable tips and direct people to your product. And 4. Use pre-selling strategy. This is a savvy risk management strategy that provides crucial market validation. Instead of spending months creating comprehensive content that might not resonate with your target audience, pre-sales let you test the market's appetite with minimal investment. When potential students commit their money up front, you receive concrete proof of demand rather than relying on surveys or casual expressions of interest that may not translate to actual purchases. This approach also creates a powerful feedback loop during course development. Early buyers often become invested stakeholders who willingly share what specific problems they want to be solved and what outcomes they expect. This invaluable insight helps you tailor your content to address real pain points, ensuring your course delivers exactly what your market wants. Plus, having a group of committed students creates momentum and urgency, making your eventual full launch more successful through testimonials and word-of-mouth marketing. You don't need to be a best-selling author or professional educator to succeed. Everyone has knowledge or experiences someone else is willing to pay for. Take that knowledge, package it into an ebook or online course, and start earning while you sleep. Start your journey. The third laziest and easiest ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the laziest ways to make money online, perfect for beginners looking for low-risk, high-reward opportunities. With the right strategy, you can create a passive income stream that works 24/7. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. No need to create products, handle inventory, or deal with shipping. Your job is to drive traffic and convert clicks into sales. If you are wondering why affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online, consider the following. 1. No product creation. With affiliate marketing, you can skip the hassle of creating, packaging, or managing products. 2. Passive income potential. Once your content is live, it can continue generating sales without further effort. 3. Flexibility. You can promote products across different niches, from beauty and fashion to tech and fitness. 4. Scalability. You can work from anywhere and promote as many products as you want without additional overhead costs. As you can see, it basically checked all the boxes required to meet the criteria of an easy and lazy way to make money online. So, the next question is how to get started. Very simple. Let's dive in. 1. Choose your niche. Pick a topic or industry that excites you. Popular niches include health, fitness, personal finance, and tech. 2. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Rakuten, CJ Affiliate, or ClickBank. These platforms offer access to thousands of products. If you want me to create a specific video with a detailed breakdown of how to join an affiliate program, please let me know in the comments below. 3. Create content. Use blogs, YouTube videos, social media posts, or email newsletters to promote affiliate products. Share honest reviews, tutorials, or listicles, e.g., top 10 gadgets for tech lovers. 4. Promote your links. Add your unique affiliate links to your content. Make sure the products are relevant and valuable to your audience. And 5. Track your progress. Most programs offer dashboards to track clicks, conversions, and earnings. Analyze what's working and improve accordingly. Don't be afraid to pivot if necessary. It's part of the starting process and the learning curve. This is the list of the best affiliate platforms and what makes them strategic. Let's start with Amazon Associates. This is a perfect platform for affiliate marketing newcomers since you can tap into Amazon's massive product catalog and trusted brand reputation, something that naturally encourages purchases from your audience. The platform lets you earn commissions by promoting everything from best-selling books to the latest electronics, with built-in tools that make sharing product links and tracking sales straightforward, even if you're just beginning your affiliate marketing journey. The next platform is ClickBank. ClickBank stands out for affiliate marketers seeking higher earnings, offering generous commission rates of up to 75% on digital products like eBooks and online courses. This means you can earn significantly more per sale compared to physical products, making it an attractive platform for maximizing your affiliate income. 3. Share a Sale. The platform connects you with diverse merchants spanning fashion, technology, home goods, and more, each offering competitive commission rates. This variety lets you choose products that perfectly match your audience's interests, increasing your chances of earning consistent affiliate income. And CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate connects you with major global brands like Nike, Apple, and Samsung, allowing you to promote products your audience already knows and trusts. These established brand partnerships make it easier to drive sales since customers are already familiar with and confident in the products you're recommending. Although affiliate marketing has low startup costs, potential costs may include the following. 1. Domain name cost. Remember, to be successful, it is important to manage your brand as a business. Therefore, having a custom domain is crucial. A custom domain name typically costs between $10 to $20 per year. That won't break the bank. 2. Content creation costs. You may want to invest in tools like Canva Pro or Grammarly to improve the quality of your content. Again, remember, this is your brand. And 3. Website hosting fees. If you choose to create a blog, expect to pay between $5 to $10 per month for hosting. Platforms like WordPress.org are popular choices. These are my recommended cost-saving strategies. 1. Use free platforms. Start with a free blog, WordPress.com, or promote affiliate links on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. All these can be completed without subscriptions. 2. Let your emphasis be on organic traffic. Focus on search engine optimization, SEO, to drive free traffic to your blog or YouTube channel. 3. Take advantage of free marketing. Utilize social media posts, TikTok videos, and Pinterest pins to promote your content without paying for ads. And 4. DIY content. Create all content yourself, photos, videos, and graphics. This will help eliminate the cost of hiring professionals. Affiliate marketing remains one of the easiest ways to earn money online because it removes the hardest parts of traditional businesses: product creation and inventory management. Affiliate marketing can be your ticket to financial freedom, whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a college student, or a working professional. As we wrap up, I encourage you to take action. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might also benefit from these insights. Your support helps us continue to create content that empowers you to explore new income opportunities. If you are interested in strategies that can help you transform your dreams into success in 2025, check out our video on that topic. It covers 5 proven strategies. The link is in the description. We'll see you back here next time, Trailblazers. Until then, take care and thank you. See you at the top.